So welcome to the next video, and some part from the previous video has been balanced, so I am going to cover that one part without wasting our time. Okay, so what was where we were, actually we were here. Okay, line style and line color. Okay, so from here you can select the line type. Different types of line are here: double line, after that dash line, dotted line, thick line, like this. Okay, whatever you wanted to make it, you can select from that. Okay, from here you can change the text color. Okay, if I selected this pink, here you can see, sorry, yellow color. If you select this red color, you can observe. If I select this brown color, this is the text. You can change the text color from here. And this is the background color. You can fill color. For this background I would like to fill which color. You can take it any yellow color. Okay, so in this way you can fill the color for the background and the text also. Okay, now we will move to the next command. This is the clear all. Okay, if I selected this and click on clear all the content has been clean. Okay, I wanted that content regain, so here this is the command undo. We can click on the undo command. Okay, then next is format. Okay, if you click on the format, all the format which I have made for this Rahul Chore text, all the format has been deleted. Now this is totally simple. Okay, simple word. By controlling undo you can come back. Okay, now the content. Okay, now whatever the content I have wrote, that was Rahul Chore, so that has been deleted. Instead of that format, only format has been balanced. Okay, so for deleting format, this is the command, and for deleting content, this is the content command. Okay, come back. Okay, now all the commands up to here in this tab I have covered in this video. And in my previous video I have made the this video on this command. Okay, so thank you very much friend. If you like it the channel, kindly subscribe our channel.